Have you ever woken up and noticed that your vision feels hazy or slow to focus, as if your eyes need extra time to wake up? Or maybe night driving has become more uncomfortable than it used to be. Headlights seem brighter, glare feels stronger, and you find yourself squinting just to see the road clearly. Many people are told that these changes are simply the price of getting older, something that happens naturally over time. But research from organizations like the National Eye Institute suggests that age isn't the only factor affecting vision. In fact, scientists are learning that what happens inside the eyes during the night can play an important role in how well we see during the day. While you're asleep, your eyes are not completely off. The retina, the light-sensitive layer that allows you to see detail and color, continues performing important maintenance processes. Cells are repairing damage from daily light exposure, circulation is adjusting, and nutrients are being delivered to delicate tissues that support clear vision. When this nightly recovery process is supported properly, it can help the eyes maintain clarity and resilience over time. Tonight, we're going to explore 7 specific fruits that contain nutrients known to support eye health, circulation, and retinal protection. These foods provide antioxidants, carotenoids, and plant compounds that researchers believe may help support the natural repair processes that take place while you sleep. Think of them as a kind of nighttime support team for your eyes. Simple foods that may help nourish the tissues responsible for sharp vision, color contrast, and healthy retinal function. Many people believe that waking up with dry, scratchy, or slightly blurry eyes is simply a normal part of getting older, but the reality is more complex. While you're asleep and your body appears to be resting, your eyes, especially the retina, are still highly active behind the scenes. The retina, a thin layer of light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye, works continuously to process visual signals and maintain the cells responsible for clear vision. During the night, however, certain challenges can affect how well this delicate system functions. One of these is something researchers refer to as reduced oxygen delivery to retinal tissue, sometimes described as retinal hypoxia. In simple terms, it means that the small blood vessels that nourish the retina may deliver less oxygen during sleep. When oxygen supply is limited, the eye's natural maintenance processes can slow down. This may contribute to the heavy, dry, or slightly foggy vision many people notice when they first wake up. But oxygen levels are only part of the story. Studies published in medical journals such as JAMA Ophthalmology suggest that oxidative stress and low-grade inflammation also play an important role in age-related eye changes. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules, often called free radicals, accumulate faster than the body can neutralize them. Over time, this can affect the delicate cells responsible for sharp focus and color perception. Another factor researchers often discuss is glycation. This process occurs when excess sugars in the bloodstream attach to proteins in body tissues, forming compounds that may gradually affect the clarity and flexibility of structures within the eye, including the lens. Glycation has been studied as one of the mechanisms involved in conditions such as cataracts and other age-related vision changes. Because the eye is protected by a specialized filter known as the blood-retinal barrier, not every nutrient circulating in the bloodstream can easily reach retinal tissue. This protective system is important. It keeps harmful substances away from the eye, but it also means that only certain nutrients are capable of crossing this barrier and supporting retinal health directly. For this reason, researchers often focus on foods rich in specific antioxidants, carotenoids, and plant compounds that are known to support circulation and retinal protection. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, these nutrients may help the body maintain healthier eye tissue, support circulation to the retina, and assist the natural repair processes that occur during sleep. In other words, nighttime is not just a period of rest for your eyes, it's also a window of recovery when the body works to repair cellular damage, restore circulation, and prepare your visual system for the day ahead. Let's begin our countdown of 7 powerful fruits, carefully selected for their ability to nourish and protect the eyes while you sleep. As we age, the delicate tissues in our eyes become more vulnerable to oxidative stress, reduced blood flow, and nutrient deficiencies. Certain fruits contain unique compounds that can pass through what scientists call the blood-retinal barrier, a protective filter that controls which nutrients reach the retina. Consuming the right foods in the evening can help deliver antioxidants, pigments, and circulation-supporting nutrients to your eyes during the overnight repair phase. At number 7 is golden kiwi. While most people are familiar with the green variety, the golden kiwi provides an even richer supply of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that act like internal sunglasses for your eyes. These compounds help filter harmful blue light and support the delicate photoreceptor cells in the retina. Studies published in nutrition journals have shown that older adults who regularly consumed kiwi experienced improvements in visual sharpness and reduced eye irritation. Eating 2 golden kiwis about an hour before bed may help provide these protective nutrients when the eyes begin their nighttime recovery process. Coming in at number 6 is watermelon, a fruit that does far more than simply refresh you on a warm day. Watermelon contains high levels of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to protection against oxidative damage in the eyes. It also helps support nitric oxide production, which can relax and widen blood vessels. As circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients reach the retina more efficiently during sleep. Enjoying 1 to 2 cups of watermelon about 30 minutes before bed may help support hydration and nighttime blood flow to the eyes. At number 5 are black currants, small berries with surprisingly powerful effects on eye circulation. They are rich in anthocyanins, deep purple pigments known to support blood vessel flexibility and help maintain the health of rhodopsin, a visual pigment essential for seeing in low light. Research has shown that anthocyanins may enhance blood flow to the optic nerve and support visual performance. Because fresh black currants can be difficult to find, many people choose frozen berries or standardized extracts to obtain these compounds. Moving to number 4, wild blueberries stand out as one of the most concentrated sources of antioxidants among common fruits. Unlike larger cultivated blueberries, wild varieties contain significantly higher levels of protective plant compounds. Among these is pterostilbene, a molecule being studied for its ability to support cellular protection in sensitive tissues like the retina. Some clinical observations have suggested that regular blueberry consumption may support visual clarity and retinal resilience, especially in older adults. At number 3 is red dragon fruit, a striking fruit with vibrant magenta flesh. Its colour comes from compounds called betalains, antioxidants that may help support healthy circulation and reduce oxidative stress. These nutrients can encourage better oxygen delivery to small capillaries throughout the body, including those that nourish the retina. Choosing the deep red variety provides the highest concentration of these protective pigments. Taking the second spot are goji berries, a fruit long valued in traditional wellness practices. These berries are considered one of the richest natural sources of zeaxanthin, a pigment that accumulates in the macula, the central region of the retina responsible for sharp vision and reading ability. Modern research has shown that regular consumption of goji berries may help increase macular pigment density, which is associated with better protection against age-related vision decline. Soaking 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water can make them easier to digest and enjoy in the evening. Finally, at number 1 is papaya, a fruit that supports eye health through multiple pathways. Papaya provides an impressive blend of vitamins A, C, and E, along with natural enzymes such as papain. These nutrients help support the health of the tear film, protect retinal cells from oxidative stress, and contribute to overall eye tissue maintenance. Enjoying a cup of ripe papaya about an hour before bedtime may provide a gentle supply of these nutrients while the body carries out its overnight repair processes. Together, these fruits offer a range of compounds, from carotenoids and anthocyanins to enzymes and antioxidants, that may help support eye health, circulation, and retinal protection. When included regularly in a balanced diet, they can contribute to the body's natural ability to maintain healthy vision over time. Knowing which fruits support eye health is only part of the equation. The way you consume them can make a major difference in how well your body absorbs their nutrients. Many of the compounds that benefit the retina, such as carotenoids, antioxidants, and certain enzymes, are delicate and require the right conditions to be fully utilized by the body. To maximize their potential benefits, it helps to follow a few simple bio rules that support proper absorption and timing. First is the fat factor. Many of the nutrients that protect the eyes, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and several carotenoids, are fat-soluble, meaning they are absorbed far more efficiently when consumed with a small amount of healthy fat. Pairing your fruit with a few walnuts, almonds, or a sprinkle of flax seeds can significantly improve how much of these nutrients your body actually uses. Without a source of fat, a large portion of these protective compounds may simply pass through the digestive system without being fully absorbed. Second, temperature matters. Some fruits contain natural enzymes, such as papain in papaya, that are sensitive to extreme temperatures. Eating fruit that is extremely cold can reduce the activity of these enzymes. Allowing fruit to reach room temperature before eating can help preserve these natural compounds and support better digestion and nutrient availability. Third is the 90-minute timing rule. If you want these nutrients to support your eyes during the body's overnight recovery process, timing becomes important. Consuming a small fruit snack about 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime allows your digestive system enough time to begin breaking down the nutrients so they can circulate through the bloodstream during the early stages of sleep when the body performs much of its cellular repair. Finally, avoid mixing these fruits with high calcium foods at the same time. Large amounts of calcium from dairy products like milk or yogurt can interfere with the absorption of certain plant compounds and antioxidants. For this reason, it's generally best to enjoy these fruits on their own or with healthy fats, rather than pairing them with dairy in the same sitting. By paying attention not only to what you eat, but also how and when you eat it, you can help ensure that the beneficial compounds in these fruits are more effectively absorbed and available to support your eyes. Small adjustments in timing, pairing, and preparation can make a noticeable difference in how well your body uses these powerful nutrients. Imagine waking up tomorrow with eyes that feel refreshed, not dry, and vision that feels sharp, not foggy. This isn't just about seeing better, it's about keeping your independence as you age. I have a question for you. If your vision was 30% sharper tomorrow morning, what is the first thing you'd want to go see? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, hit the like button and share this with someone who is tired of squinting